one's just busy going nicely. It's going to bring out this one. Come on.
So today is day 20 of me growing the garden, and it's been an amazing experience waking up every day and watering the garden and checking out how the seeds are doing. Of course the rape and the pumpkin is doing really well, but the onion bed isn't showing any signs of life. So I think I'll just buy some onion seedlings and then just plant the seedlings in the bed. Now today my kids did not want to shower in the house, so they decided I should they wanted me to take them in the garden and take out the basin that they use to bath so that they can shower. Check out what happened.
Let's go.